Howdy, YouTube. I mentioned in a previous video log that I was going to start this Art of Manifestation piece. So to begin, I'd like to first put out some study material for you guys to check out. After naming a lot of study material, if you guys would like to know more about the study material or like to know more study material, period, you can post a comment, email me, do a video response, however you wish to do it. The first piece of study material, I guess I'm going to put it in the order that I was introduced to it. The first piece of study material regarding this subject or area of study is this book entitled Beyond Positive Thinking. This video production called The Secret, another video production called What the Bleep Do We Know, and a video production called Mastering Alchemy. My place is just promoting the material and informing people that this information is out there, not acting or being a teacher. I just have a lot to mention and say and share. Simple and valuable information and material that piggybacks and back up this area of study from a quantum physics, spiritual and biblical, psychological and philosophical perspective. So I'm going to kind of go in depth on one of the areas of study, or I'm sorry, one of the study material, and it's The Secret. You can either get the publication, the book, the video, DVD video, or the 4-disc CD, audio CD. Pretty much The Secret in a nutshell, just giving a synopsis on it. It talks about the power of our positive thinking, and to go beyond that, it pretty much talks about one of the laws of the universe, the law of attraction. I'm promoting this as if I'm getting proceeds from it, but I'm just noticing a good product when I see one. It's changing people's lives for the better. I do understand that depending on where a person is in their lives spiritually, I have to be leery on who I'm introducing it to. That I can admit and own up to. But the only bad reviews I really got is from the Christian population. So some of the things I've learned from The Secret is one of the laws of the universe, which is the law of attraction. And just to cap up on that, you know, the law of attraction is just as real as any other laws of the universe, such as the law of gravity. And as you may know, no matter how young, how old, how rich, or how poor, we're all subject to that law. The law of attraction is the same way. Another thing that I've learned from The Secret is that what you think about, you bring about. And that a positive thought or affirmation is 100 times more powerful than a negative one. And last but not least, what's in our life, we've attracted. I guess depending on who responded back to me, I can go into further detail and piggyback on those things that I've talked about thus far. But the last one I just mentioned, what's in our lives, we've attracted. After hearing that for the first time, I realized that it's it's a hard bullet to bite and a hard pill to swallow. But I guess after researching and meditation and self-contemplating and just doing more research, that's actual factual. What's in our lives we do attract, from the bad relationships to the, you name it. I've kind of went ahead of myself, because after hearing that what's in our lives we've attracted, your first thought is, I didn't attract this debt, I didn't attract this divorce, I didn't attract this car accident. But in actuality you did. Why? Because we walk around constantly having on our minds, what we don't want. And if you remember what I alluded to earlier, what we think about, we bring about. So if we constantly have on our mind what we don't want, unfortunately and consequently, we are going to get what we don't want. I guess this is going to wrap up my first entry. This is my preliminary entry before I go knee deep in more content. Again, it depends on what people want to hear about this. I kind of feel that Christian comment may arise some questions, but please feel free to email me or post something if you want me to elaborate on that statement as well. So this is Nay Lee signing out. Peace.